Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best GoPro Battery Pack is probably one of the most important accessories for GoPro users who want to capture extended footage without worrying about their battery life. It provides a significant boost to your shooting time, ensuring you won't miss those epic moments because your camera died. This in-depth review will cover everything you need to know about choosing and using a GoPro external battery pack, from its capacity and charging speed to its compatibility and overall performance. Number 5. TELESIN GoPro Charger Kit. This kit is a game changer for GoPro users. It's not just a charger, it's a portable power station and storage solution all in one. Use it as a protective case to keep your batteries safe from dust and water, or as a charger to power up 3 batteries simultaneously. Its small size makes it perfect for travel. It easily fits in your bag, so you're always ready to capture the action. With 1750 mAh replacement batteries, you'll have plenty of power to record all your adventures. Get up to 2 hours of charging time for all 3 batteries. The convenient Type-C USB interface makes charging simple. Plus, it has multiple safety features to protect your batteries and devices. Never miss a moment. This kit ensures you're always ready to capture stunning footage, wherever your adventures take you. What we like. This kit not only gives you extra power with 2 batteries but also provides a protective case that doubles as a triple charger. If you need to charge multiple batteries simultaneously and want to keep them safe from damage, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for vloggers or adventurers who need to keep their GoPro running for extended periods. What people say. Batteries work well with GoPro 11 and the case is a reasonable size. I haven't noticed a significant difference in battery life and they fit in my GoPro 9 and 11, so that's a bonus as well. I also really like the charging case that it comes with. The LED lights make it easy to tell the status of your batteries while they are charging. The batteries are charged up quickly. Easy to use charge indicators. Compact unit. Number 4. TELESIN GoPro Charger. This charger is designed for your GoPro Hero 12, 11, 10, and 9 batteries. It's a convenient way to keep your batteries charged and ready to go. It features 3 slots, allowing you to charge up to 3 batteries simultaneously. This saves you valuable time between shoots. It's fully compatible with your original GoPro batteries. It provides a rapid charge, fully recharging your batteries in about 2 hours. Safety is key. It includes overcurrent, overvoltage, overcharge, overdischarge, overtemperature, and overpower protections. Charge your batteries with confidence. The LED lights clearly indicate the charging status. Red means it's charging, and green means it's finished. No more guesswork. It's small, lightweight, and easily portable. It also protects your batteries from dust, scratches, and damage while in storage. What we like. This charger stands out with its compact design and ability to charge 3 batteries at once. If you're always on the go and need a reliable way to keep your GoPro batteries topped up, this is a great option. Its multiple safety features ensure your batteries are always charged safely and efficiently. What people say. Unit allows you to charge up to 3 batteries at a time. Front LED lights give current status of the battery charge. Can even use power bank to charge battery if no AC outlet available. Bonus slots to hold 2 micro SD card. When not charging, double as a case to hold the batteries. The TELESIN battery charger for GoPro Hero 12 11 10 9 Black is an absolute lifesaver for anyone who relies on their GoPro for capturing adventures. With its 3-slot design, I can charge multiple batteries simultaneously, ensuring I never miss a moment. The compact USB design makes it perfect for on-the-go charging and fits in the original GoPro case I received. The charger works flawlessly, delivering fast and reliable charging every time. Great charger for your GoPro batteries. Indicator lights make it easy to tell when they are fully charged. Charge 1, 2, or 3 batteries simultaneously. Number 3. GoPro Hero 10-9 Battery Charger Kit. Capture more adventures without interruption. This kit provides 2 extra batteries and a fast charger for your GoPro Hero 10 or 9. With two 1800 mAh batteries, you'll have plenty of power for extended shoots. Don't let low battery drain your creativity. The included charger can charge 3 batteries simultaneously, saving you valuable time. It's fast and efficient. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge 2 batteries using the 5V2A charger. It also has multiple safety features to protect your batteries and devices. The compact charger is designed for portability, and it even has storage for your batteries. Take it anywhere. Everything you need is included: 2 replacement batteries, a 3-channel charging station, and a USB-C charging cable. Start shooting. What we like. This option offers a convenient portable charger with a higher capacity battery. If you prioritize longer recording times and need a compact solution for charging on the go, this is a smart choice. The charger's portability makes it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. What people say. Works as expected. Good charger, good battery life. It is a nice device to charge and keep organized your GoPro batteries. I'm using it with a power bank on the go, as well as in stationary conditions, works perfectly. The batteries and charger work great. You get your money's worth. Number 2. Hero 10 Battery Charger Station. It's fully compatible with your Hero 9, 10, 11, and 12 black cameras. These replacement batteries give you extended recording time. This triple battery charging station lets you charge up to 3 batteries simultaneously. It's fast and efficient. Monitor the charging process easily with the LED indicators. Red means charging, and green means fully charged. With an upgraded 1800 mAh capacity, they provide longer runtimes for your camera. Enjoy more recording time without worrying about power. The charger's solid cover protects your batteries during travel. Take it anywhere and keep your batteries safe. We stand behind our product. If you're not satisfied, we offer a 12-month replacement guarantee. What we like. This kit boasts high-capacity batteries and a durable case to protect your investment. If you value longer recording times and want peace of mind knowing your batteries are well protected, this is the one for you. The LED indicators provide clear charging status updates, making it easy to monitor the process. What people say. Small, lightweight, comes with 3 battery level indicator lights, charges 3 batteries at a time. Comes with 2 extra batteries. Charger rapidly charges the batteries. The non-OEM batteries also work with my GoPro Hero 9. The charger works well, it does 3 batteries at the same time with no problems. The batteries themselves power the camera just fine. Number 1. TELESIN GoPro Charger Kit. Introducing the TELESIN Battery Charger Kit. It's designed to keep your GoPro Hero 9, 10, 11, or 12 powered up and ready to capture every moment. This kit comes with 2 1750 mAh batteries, doubling your camera's runtime. No memory effect means you can charge them anytime. The compact charger can simultaneously charge all 3 batteries, 2 spares and the one in your camera, in about 2.5 hours. It features a smart LED indicator showing charging status and is built with high-quality materials for complete safety against overcharging and other issues. It also includes a closed lid to store 2 TF cards, keeping everything organized and protected. Charge it via USB for ultimate convenience. Enjoy a 90-day free return and refund policy, plus 24/7 customer support. We're here to help. What we like. This kit combines 2 high-capacity batteries with a compact triple charger. If you're looking for a space-saving solution that still allows you to charge multiple batteries simultaneously, this is an excellent choice. The compact design makes it perfect for travel and easy storage. What people say. Case seems sturdy, nice to be able to charge a series of batteries at once as an all-day GoPro session requires 4 or more batteries for 6 hours of use. I found the charging lights red, yellow, green useful, pretty quick charging times. This functional charger ensures that I always have 3 fully charged batteries ready to go for my GoPro. The batteries included are indistinguishable from the one that came with my GoPro. The design is simple and minimal, giving you all the pertinent information in a tiny device that is about the same size as the GoPro itself. It's great, quick charge because it's USB-C connection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.